Hello and welcome. My name is Joseph, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can implement basic role-based access control with metadata using Clerk. So here I have my Next.js application already started. So what we'll do, we'll go to Clerk page. Make sure to sign in. Here I assume you don't have Clerk already set up. So we'll create an application. Okay, since we are using Next.js, we'll follow this guide on how we can set up. So we'll go ahead and install Clerk Next.js package. Okay, so copy that command. We'll follow the next step. Have this inside our .env.local file. Oops. Come in here inside your root directory and create a .env.local file. Press enter and paste your environment variables. Great. Then the next thing we'll do is have this inside our middleware.ts file. We don't have a middleware.ts file, so let's go ahead and create it inside our root directory. Like so. Copy the code. Great. We'll have this inside our layout, so we can just replace what we have with inside our layout with this. So go inside app, choose layout. I'll replace what I have with this one. Okay. Then I can start my development server, which is already started. So we can continue to the next page. Great. Okay, so before we even see how we can use role-based authentication to protect our routes, let's go ahead and see if everything is working as expected. So we see a sign in button, but I'm not protecting my routes. So let's see if we can sign in. Great. Now let's see how we can protect our application with Clerk. So click on Getting Started, choose Next.js, scroll down and click Protect Routes using Clerk and Clerk middleware. So far we have this. Let's see how now we can protect our routes. So I'll create a route that I want to protect. Inside app, we'll create a route here. I'll just say regular. Page.tsx rfc. Just have this as regular. Have a h1 here. Only members registered members can access this page. We'll go ahead and create an admin route. Page.tsx rfc admin route only admins, or let's have this as a h1, only admins can access this page. Great. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we can protect the two routes. So we'll use this middleware.ts file they have provided here. So here we'll have the routes that we want to protect. So we can just copy this. Inside our middleware.ts file, we'll replace it with that. Let's go ahead and replace this. Great. Now let's see if I can access that page without registering. Let me sign out. Regular. Register as members. We need to change this. Okay. So we say regular here. We also want to protect our admin route. So make sure to change that. Now let's see if I can access that page. If I reload this, we see the page is protected. I need to sign in to access that page. Great. So now I see I can access this route and also the admin route. But what I want to do is to have this route to only accept admins. Not just any member that has signed in can access this page. So that's where roles comes in. So let's see how Clerk help us to have roles. So we'll go here inside references, Clerk, and we can scroll down to where we have implement basic role access control with metadata. Great. So let's use this to protect that admin route. Okay, so configure the session token. Clerk provides user metadata which can be used to store information. So we can use this public metadata to store our role. Okay, our metadata. So let's see how we can do that. I'll have this side by side so that I can follow along. So we'll say actually we'll close this, have this in here. Okay, that will help me to follow along. Then in the Clerk dashboard, navigate to sessions page. Great. Sessions page, where is the session actually? Yeah, I have to scroll. Sessions here. Then we customize the session token. We'll edit this and paste with this one they have provided here. Great. Replace that, then save. So that is the first step that you need to do. Then create a global TypeScript definition inside your directory, your root directory or your root folder. So we'll create a folder called types, and we'll create a file called global.txt.s. So inside my root, types, then say globals.d.ts. Then we'll copy this. Awesome. But first we need to create the roles. Sorry. You'll see here, this file will provide auto-completion and prevent TypeScript definition when working with roles. For this guide, only the admin and moderator roles will be defined. Okay, let's define our roles. So we'll come in, let's go inside dashboard and configure. Then we go to the roles page here. Then you have to enable organizations. Make sure to enable organizations. Now we see here this role, the member role, is assigned to the default role. So each time we sign into application, we are given this member, right? And we have the admin role, which is the creator. So let's create the role for the admin. Okay, we can just have in database access there, and here we can have marketing admin. Here we can have manage marketing assets. Manage marketing assets. We don't need permissions. We can just go ahead and create the role. Great. So now, instead of having these roles, we know we have marketing underscore admin and member. Okay. Let's see what the next steps are. Set the admin role for your user. Okay, so in the Clerk dashboard, navigate to the users page, select your own account, scroll down to the user metadata section, and next to the role, to the public option, select edit, add the following code. So we can just copy this. Remember, we don't need admin. For ours is marketing underscore admin, so we'll remember to change that. Go to configure. We have to, actually it's not configure, it's users. Then click the user that we want to have the role as marketing underscore admin. Then we scroll down to where we have metadata. Then here we click edit, and we replace this example with the role for marketing underscore admin. Great. Okay, so that is okay. Let's go back to the docs. And you don't have to do this. You can just open the docs inside another tab. Okay, so create a helper function to simplify checking roles. Okay, let's create this helper function to help us check the roles for the user. Okay, we'll go inside the root directory and create a utils folder. Here we'll create a file. Let's name it as roles.ts file. Click enter and copy the code. Great. Now we'll go ahead and create this admin page, which for us, we already have it. This one here. Okay, now we can go ahead and see how we can protect the admin dashboard. So we see that we have two ways that we can protect the admin dashboard. One is using the middleware and one is page level role check. Okay, let's see how we can use middleware file to protect this admin. Okay, remember we already have the middleware.ts, so let's see what we can change. So we'll bring in this create route matcher for the admin, have it there, then we protect the route there, then we can go ahead and bring this inside this if statement. Okay, we can have it here. Great. So remember to change this, because for us it's not admin, it's marketing_admin. Remember to bring in also next response, and let's see now. Okay, remember for this user we have this user with the role of marketing_admin. So let's see if this user can access the admin page. Localhost 3000/admin. Yeah, we see that that user can access that page. Great. How about another user that is not an admin? So I'll bring in another account, localhost/3000/admin. Okay, so we see that page is secured. Great. I'll sign in with this account, continue. Can this user access that page? Let's see. So we see that user cannot access that page because I was redirected to the home page. Let's try that again. You see, I cannot access that page. Okay, let's follow along. We see, remember there were two ways that we can protect the admin dashboard. Okay, so that is the first way that we can do it. So let's use the second option. So I'll just move. Let's see this other option. Option, protect the admin route at the page level. At the page level, add the following code. Okay, so we can just go ahead and copy this inside admin page. Mark this as an async function so that we can use await export default async function. We have to bring in a redirect from, let's see, yeah, redirect from next navigation. Okay, check role, make sure to bring this in. Remember, it's not admin, it's marketing_admin. So now if I try to navigate to this page using this other account, we see we get redirected back to the home page. Okay, so that is how we can use role-based control with Clerk to secure our application. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers.